Well, it is Wednesday, June 5th, 2014. Here's more video of the bridge piers across the St. Croix River. There are several barges out there, cranes on the barge. More great progress on the bridge crossing the St. Croix River. Yeah, there's more. Another barge over there with a big crane on it. The darn trees are blocking the view, but oh well. Well, I think I will take some more video from the overlook. Anyway, yep, there's another shot. Please check my other videos, as I will post more videos of the bridge construction as it happens. Thanks for watching. Bye.